Have you ever wondered what it would be like to read the actual instruction manual for life itself? I mean, the source code. Well, that's pretty much what genomics is all about. It's one of the most fundamental, fastest moving fields in all of science, and getting a grip on it is absolutely key to understanding where we're all headed.
But let's be real for a second. How do you even begin to get a handle on it? Genomics can feel, well, totally overwhelming, right? Like this giant, sprawling landscape of data and discoveries. So where do you start? How do you go from just being curious about it to actually, truly getting it?
Well, the answer isn't to just dive in and get lost in all that complexity. Nope. It's about finding a clear, structured path. You need a guide, something designed to lead you straight through the noise to real understanding. And today, we're going to break down that exact guide for you. We're talking about the eBook, Introduction to Genomics. Think of it as this super powerful tool for anyone who's serious about unlocking the blueprint of biology. So the guide we're diving into is the third edition of Introduction to Genomics by Arthur M. Lesk. And get this, it's 510 pages long. So yeah, this is not some light, quick overview. It's a seriously deep, comprehensive resource that's designed to give you a rock-solid foundation in the whole subject. And that really highlights the magic combination here. Comprehensive, that means it's got all the depth you need for a serious study. But student-friendly, that's the key. It means the ideas are actually broken down so you can understand them. It's built for learning, not just to sit on a shelf as a reference. And of course, it really matters who's writing this stuff, right? Well, this guide is written by Dr. Arthur M. Lesk, who is a professor of biochemistry and molecular biology at Penn State. So what that means is you're not just reading some random book. You're learning directly from a respected expert, someone who's dedicated their entire career to this stuff. Okay, so how does this book actually do it? How does it build your knowledge from the ground up? Let's take a peek inside and check out the journey it's going to take you on. This really lays out the brilliant learning path you'll follow. First, you start with structure. You learn that a genome isn't just a flat string of letters, but this incredibly complex 3D thing packed inside our cells. Wild, right? Then you get into comparing organisms. You see how looking at a mouse genome versus a human one tells this amazing story about our shared history. From there, it's genome evolution, how these things change and adapt over millions of years. Next up, gene regulation. This is the super cool part. It's like the intricate system of on-off switches that control everything. And finally, it all clicks together with applications in medicine, where you see how all this knowledge leads to actual real-world breakthrough. So you might be wondering, is this actually for me? Well, whether you're a university student who needs a textbook that actually makes sense, a researcher who wants to brush up on the fundamentals, or maybe you're just a super dedicated self-learner paving your own way, this guide is built for you. It's really for anyone who's serious about the life sciences. But here's something really cool. This guide is way more than just a static PDF you read. It's designed to be a complete learning system. Seriously, think of it like your own personal digital lab. Yeah, it comes with a whole suite of online resources. You get interactive web-based problems so you can actually test what you've learned. You get guided tours of the real databases that scientists use every single day. There are even journal club articles with discussion questions to get you thinking about the latest research. This is the stuff that takes you from just passively reading to building real practical skills. All right, so we've seen what this guide is, who it's for, and how it works. Now let's talk about what's next. Let's talk about taking that step. When it comes down to it, you've got a choice. You can try to navigate the massive world of genomics on your own, kind of piecing things together here and there, which can lead to a lot of confusion. Or you can follow a proven guide that gives you a clear path, building your clarity and your confidence chapter by chapter. And your journey can literally start right now. You can get the complete 510-page PDF ebook just by heading over to digzon.com. That's digzon.com. It's all right there, ready for you to download and just begin. So, the blueprint of life, probably the most profound story ever written. It's just sitting there, waiting to be explored. The only question left is, are you ready to start reading?